Hey there, RVers. Let's talk about one of the best tools you can have on the road, the Spartan RV Chassis Connected Care mobile app. This little gem is your co-pilot for everything you need to keep rolling with confidence. Whether you're planning your next trip, troubleshooting an issue, or looking for support on the go, the Connected Care app has you covered. Here's what it offers: quick links to service and support. Got a question or need help? It's all right there. Pre-trip inspection checklist. No more guessing. Just follow the steps to make sure your motorhome is ready to roll. Integrated service center locator. Find the closest authorized service center or a trusted shop anywhere in the country. Maintenance schedules. Stay on top of your coach's needs with reminders and easy to access schedules. Diagnostic code search. If something pops up on your dash, you can look up what it means instantly. Key Spartan chassis contacts. Need to talk to someone? The app has all the important numbers and contacts you need. Show and rally schedule. Never miss out on a Spartan event again. Getting started is easy. Go to your app store, search for Spartan RV Connected Care, download, sign up, and when you're ready to hit the road with all the tools you need. And here's my advice. Don't leave home without it. This app is like having a Spartan team in your pocket and ready to help wherever you are. Got more questions? Tap the topic and let's keep the good times rolling.